hint of pistachio. If you turn down
but I heard you can change the padding out inside. You get whacked in the face, dude. Oh, yeah. How do you get in this, Casey?
Oh, it's been a while. I'm gonna try now. I did change my sweatshirt.
What's going on right now?
Well, going out, seeing how this thing is. They fucking shrunk the fucking everything. Seats shrank. My driving suit got fucked up.
You gotta watch the language, otherwise we can't use this footage, dude.
I'm gonna warm it up. There's no gear shift. It has, there's no, the power thing is...
Dude, I don't even know what to say. If you heard this car, it sounds like a boat just all the way down the hill.
It has so much power.
He's like half throttle and we were doing 100.
Easier on all the components because you're not there's none of this
it.
revving it and fucking banging. It's just, now the problem is always like, that's 100 miles an hour.
So what's your goal? What are you going to do next?
I just want to put some miles on it.
Do we got time to download the data, or?
Yeah, we do.
Yep, we're gonna do that real quick. It'll take a sec.
That's fine.
I don't even know how to explain it. I'm just watching you guys come down, and it's downhill, but it's nothing. It's like
yeah, and it's really comfortable.
We just did 100 up at, I swear to God, it wasn't even full throttle.
Yeah.
Are we sure there isn't one down here on the down? Sure. The hammers and running the trophy Jeep. She's got a lot of power. She's happy. Super good. So all the changes we made are working out. So it's pretty unbelievable. So a little tuning with the Duggans boys, and then we go run the rocks. Get this thing out. See how it goes. tires anymore. You just roll on the throttle, and the thing just has, it's unbelievable in the rock. It's better in the rocks than it was last year. Like, you know how we were all scared? There's
That converter right there, dude.
Dude, in the rocks. In the rocks.
It's all of it. How you doing?
Ray. Fucking
Is it good?
Goddamn it, dude. Dude, it is.
I'm
in the
glad
rocks,
you're happy.
It idles. I'm not kidding you, at idle. We changed the shocks mode. The shocks are. Oh my god, dude! In the rocks, you'll be getting beat up. You turn it to zone 1, and the thing just. But what's weird is that you're not. You know, normally when you load up to something and with like any motor, the converter, you know, eventually you got to give it enough throttle to get it to come. It's so smooth that it doesn't need to do that.
That throttle pedal change, I mean, this was like the least jerky he's felt through there, and I know it's not him. It's got to be the settings of the car. But no, it was really, really smooth. Like, it never felt like it was in like a hurt part. It was good. It was real good.
All right, here we are, King of the Hammers 2025, and the Trophy Jeep is unbelievable. It's been an amazing, stressful, probably 5 months, and after today, we made the right move. So we made gearing changes in the front and rear end, obviously Currie Enterprises, and the family built a badass rear end, and then Gearworks built us a new third member, and we got the transfer case gearing correct with Fortin, and then the new Duggans Big Block is just, that's it. It's what we needed. After driving it in the desert, I thought it was the biggest, baddest thing I've ever been in, but then driving in the rocks, it's actually easier in the rocks than it was before. The amount of torque it has and how smooth it is on idle, it's very easy to drive in the rocks. So I'm very, very excited to put more miles on it and race. So another big change was going to the electronic shocks, mind-blowing. Live valve is an absolute game changer. Fox is just, their evolution is unreal. In the rocks, the adjustment makes it so comfortable, and the tires and suspension are happy, and you get in the big bumps and you just adjust it, and it's fast. So it's good. I got to thank all the guys over at Duggans, and James Lynn and Paul Michelle and Racing Services, all his guys, all the guys at Currie. And it takes a huge team and effort, and here we are. Let's do it again. I'm Casey Currie. Thank you for watching. Now, comment below. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you don't like. Subscribe right here. Watch more videos here. Thank you guys.